Hi, I'm Ram. I work as Executive Director for Mission Samriddhi. I'm just come back. I've just come back. I'm in the car and I've just finished a 3-day workshop called Glide with Pradeep Ghosh along with my colleague Sridhar and our teams in Kanchipuram cluster. I'll just step back a little bit in terms of the content. Pradeep Ghosh is not a stranger to Mission Samriddhi. He's been a friend of Mission Samriddhi for a while now. And in Mission Samriddhi, like things happen, we forget about when people introduce us, and he's like a part of a family. I knew about him. We read about his work as an Ashoka Fellow with Oasis Social Experiment for Village Economy. That was many years earlier. And more recently, I also heard about his museum school, very innovative way of education. But Glide was more interesting to us. I've seen it in PowerPoints. I read about the concept of a group livelihoods, where the whole idea is that it's a phenomenal idea. It's where people are spending so much of money in a village. First of all, that's a complete myth broken that our villages are full of poverty, mentality of scarcity. And in this workshop, that myth is completely broken down. Okay, we all are striving for economic development of our villages, and we try to see different models. And many civil society organizations in the country have done many great things. Not putting down any of them. I've seen many interventions, many training programs, but I have seen, at least I'm speaking for myself, I've seen nothing like Glide. In 3-day period, the people were beautifully facilitated to really understand what makes people happy. How do you earn a livelihood? How do you earn income? What are the different things if you want to be self-employed? What are the things that go on to make a business? And out of all that, step by step by step, as if you are unpeeling a banana, he was able to ensure that people got that whole fear of doing business taken away from them. I think for me, as a participant, and I was an observer, most of us have this fear. We get overwhelmed by the word business. Business is a big thing. It's only for people with a lot of capital. Oh, you have to have a lot of permissions. Oh, you have to have finance from the government, this and that. Oh, but we don't know how to market. Oh, we don't know this, we don't know that. Never before I have seen an interactive way of making people believe in themselves to understand that they too can be businessmen. They too can understand first of all the potential available around them in their own village, whatever natural resources are available, water, basically in the forest, these are not even grown, and then what they are cultivating, using these resources, using their existing skills, understanding how to, and using existing machinery, how to make products. But I was really shocked to see many things that we in cities, we don't know about many herbal products, many the flora and fauna, the biodiversity that you have, rich biodiversity. And the people in the villages know of many products from the forest which they're able to make into useful products. So the whole thing just came alive in 3 days where business got demystified. Okay, making a product became demystified. How to, basically the money that we're giving away from the village, that got demystified. People think they were poor. No. When you start calculating the amount of money that we're spending per family and for a village of 500-600 households, we realize we're spending 25 plus crore rupees on products and services. And then out of all this, we realize that most of these products, or many of these products, can be available and made locally. That's the beauty of this workshop, where people realize for themselves what they can do themselves, and the best part was they were answering all the questions. Nothing was basically told to them. In most workshop, people are told what to do, and that's why I come to my second most important point. This is the only workshop where I've seen the consistency of or efficiency of the workshop was getting better and better and better. What do I mean by that? I mean that the ability of the facilitator to keep the complete engagement alive and engaged, and the ability of the participants also to stay on the same wavelength with the same energy. So it was a high energy workshop. really the level of energy is really, really high all the time. Very engaging. On a serious note, in the longer term, I really look at this workshop as fundamental to village prosperity. It not only addresses economic development, it actually brings in leadership development. It also caters to social development in the villages, and it is all about in the money remaining in the village because people are buying products from themselves. It's a much larger objective than just economic prosperity here, because what the people have told me is that they're losing their lives. They are into debt. They are perpetually trying to take a loan after loan and financing after financing of each of these loans. Microfinance companies have eaten away into their lives. This workshop, for them, I was noticing the body language of the observers, of the participants, from a complete air of despondency on the first day, like, Pradeep was trying to basically drill some hard messages into them about how we are ruining our lives and feeding palm oil and using palm oil, which is actually going to cause cancer, and you should see the faces of the people. From that perspective, the audience were able to appreciate that we are eating adulterated food, which is poison. We are wasting away our money. Our incomes are limited. Our expenditures are endless. Brilliant example of a pot with many holes where the leakage is happening constantly. And how to plug that. And in a very simple way, this workshop came alive. People were really, I felt a sense of relief amongst the people. They've found a way out of this mess that they've created for themselves. And they know this whole concept of circular economy, which our pundits keep talking about. But the way this kind of unfolded in the 3 days was really stupendous. Personally, for me, in this organization, I would like to take this workshop to all the places, all the states where we work. And the workshop is only the beginning. This is the first step. The workshop inspired the people to do something about their lives. They understand how to create a product, how to create a business. It's not going to be easy. I see there will be a little bit of constraints and challenges in the road ahead, but we are very enthused as a team in Mission Samriddhi to give our full support to Pradeep and support him and support our beneficiaries in the villages, participate with them, make these businesses successful, make them sustainable, because once one business or two businesses in the villages are coming up and they are sustainable, that's it. It will be like a spark. It will just keep adding on. My sincere advice to my fellow social sector, development sector colleagues and other organizations is, you may have seen a lot, you may have read a lot, but please give this your attention, give it a try. Engage with Pradeep and Glide. It can change, it can change your entire perception about economic development and livelihood in villages. It will change for sure. Very simple, very engaging, and in a very simple way you can start bringing in prosperity. So please do engage. And I am a convert. I was a little bit skeptical. I appreciated it, but as they say, seeing is believing. And more than that, as I say, more than seeing is believing, I think feeling is believing. I felt it. I felt the power. I felt the good energy among the people. And I really wish you should also take the time off and do this workshop. Thanks, Pradeep, for coming over. And really appreciate all your support. We look forward